Do you know that if you want to replace the tiles in your house, you need a permit? Do you know that if you want to remove the window in your house, you need a permit? Do you know that if you want to remove even the door in your house, you need a permit? In case you don't know, you better know that now. You need a permit for you to renovate your house. I saw this news, or it has been there, but now Lagos State is intending to make sure that they enforce it. I saw this news on Nairametrics that all builder, whether you are doing it for commercial purpose or not for commercial purpose, you need to get a permit for all kind of renovation of your house. And let me read what is here. And you get this permit from Lagos State Physical Planning Permit Authority. That is LASPA. That is Lagos State Physical Planning Permit, LASPA. And those, what you need to get a permit for, if you want to do things like replacing your house, you want to do roofing, you want to replace the door, all these things need permits, and you need to be aware. Let me just read the part which concern us. So renovation means that you want to do any of the following, which is you want to make your property look beautiful. You want to replaster, re-roofing, replace the door. You want to retile the kitchen, the remodeling, the electrical job, the plumbing, the structural improvement. You need a permit. So it's important that you get your permit from LASPA. This particular government is taking it serious. So to avoid any of this challenge, I would recommend visit the nearest LASPA office in case you want to renovate your house. Because these people, let me tell you, the truth is this: they are working with the locals. You usually see sand coming, seeing all these things coming in the house, they will report them. They will report you to them. And if you do not go before to go and get a permit, you will go to pay more. So I will recommend that you make sure that you get your permit whenever you want to renovate your house, no matter how small it is. It is important. It is important. My name is Dennis Isong. I help Nigerians in diaspora to own property rights in Lagos, Nigeria. I also help Nigerians in Nigeria. So if you're looking at owning a house or owning a land in Lagos, Nigeria, and I also have extended to other states too, Asaba, Port Harcourt, Abuja. So feel free to contact me. Let me assist you. I appreciate you so much. And thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends. Share this video. It is very important you share this video. And if you have any comments on this particular news I just read to you, this particular thing you need to be aware of, please share your thoughts on the comment section. Let me read it and hear your own opinion. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. My name is Dennis Issa.